Okay then guys, here we go, April the 1st, and this is no fool. Here's my tomato seeds in the Vitapod in the shed. And they are, well, they're germinating very, very well actually. All these here were done, up to about here I think it was, are done the day before the rest. So yeah, alright, coming on alright. Got to keep on top of these now though with the water in, because look at that one there, look. Look, it even looks dry, but it's not. It's still moist, but you know, got to watch it. I'm tending to find this year, I don't know why, but the Vitapod seems to have hot spots. I never had that last year. The reason those there are stacked up is because they're not germinating at the moment underneath. And I'm running out of room. So let's get the lid back on and pop in the greenhouse. Right, in the greenhouse, under the Spider Farmer SF1000. You'll notice I've got this turned down a little bit now. It was not too bright, but there's lots more daylight now, so they don't need so much light from the artificial sources. I'm loving these. These are romping away. Chocolate habanero, they just, oh my word, they actually smell like a hot chili just without any fruits on them. There's the other peppers and a few what do you call them? No, they're sweet peppers there. Sorry, sweet peppers in there. It's got the top of work round, lemongrass, right, nasturtiums in the Germie medium. Oh yeah, look at them. And the broad beans in the Germie large. You'll notice there's a lot less flowers. They've been doing very, very well. Yeah, see they're all missing now, look. 3-4 trays gone now. Yeah. Right, I'm not sure if I showed you these last time, I can't remember. That's all my brassicas, and every type of brassica, every different one has germinated, but not every seed's germinated, you know what I mean? So at least I'll have something of everything. Slowly up the top. Just sowed some Corsican mint yesterday. These are weird, these are. Now they're, you know how small mint seeds are? They're like micro dots. Well, they're pelleted with multi-seeds in the pellet. So what I've done, I've sown 10 really, really far apart, and I'm going to try and prick them out. Little germination there. That's the nasturtiums in the Germie medium and in the Germie small. Nothing yet from the various lettuces, Bit of soil on there, did I get there then? Oh, sorry, waffling. These are going to be potted on very soon, these tomatoes, and the shallots will be going out. Thyme and anise. Now the anise is picking up. It does take up to 21 days, so they're alright. Aubergines, they're under the SF600 at the moment, Spider Farmer SF600. They had a bit of a setback for some reason, but they're picking up again now. There's growth in the centre. Flowers, orange balm cuttings. And these are leaping away now. I mean, that's got to be an inch in a couple of days. So what I'll do, I'll cut that off and do another cutting of that. Ooh. Aubergines there as well. That's the Listana and the basket of fire. Right, there's the second lot of Aunt Molly's ground cherries, the Cape gooseberries. The first lot have been potted up, but that's in a future video, so I'll leave those. Okay, let's oh well, hang on, I've moved the ginger. Where are we here? Ginger I've moved downstairs to here. I've got one exposed and I've got 2 in pots, because I've had conflicting advice on what to do with these. It's not moving very fast. Those little rhino horn things, they're growing, but just not taking off. Okay, upstairs. Okay then, herbs doing very well up here. Some of these basils are on their 3rd sowing now, like those ones there, look. In there. Yeah, they're going very well. I'm selling herbal tea mixes at the moment as well. So, a little bit of burn damage on the, I think that's the dill, yeah, the dill. But the mints are taking off now. They take forever to get going, they do. But you've only got to touch these leaves. Oh, I'm guessing, let me have a guess, hang on. Pineapple. It's either pineapple or orange. What's this one? Lemon. That's a lemon. Or lime. I'm very good with tastes and flavours. Okay, that's it for April the 1st, guys. See you in a week.